So this is our photoresistor module, and I've connected this as VCC. The middle one is your ground and this is your signal. So the marking are wrong. So the marking here is like this is ground and this is signal, which is wrong. Like remember, like this is the signal, the middle one is the ground, and this one, first one, which is marked as signal, is your VCC 3.3 volt. So this is how I connected it, and I have connected it to pin 34. So it will detect automatically the level of the brightness and will change the stage accordingly. So this is our code, like pin 34 I have set it to input, then wait for 1 second, and then I am reading the values from pin 34 analog value and in a loop, and there is a wait of delay of 1 second. Now if the value is less than 1500, like the background is night, and if the value is greater than 1500, the background switches to day. So let's just run and see, like let's just see the value of value also. So currently it's night, and if I focus it toward light, it will change, the background will change to day. And again, if I turn my LDR away from light, the state would change to night.